Hi folks, we've just arrived into Krakow airport, so if you just keep watching this video, I'm going to show you how to get the train into the city of Krakow. So I've got my two cases here, so here we go, right? Right, let's go.
Where?
Just up that ramp up there.
Oh no, do we need?
Got that ramp there. As you see, it says gate 118 up the stairs, so we're going up this ramp up here. There we go. So it is. Aye, you need your tickets for the train, aye. Aye, I'm going to use my ones off. Right, so we've pressed obviously languages here in English, aye. So we're going to do a 60-minute, just to be on the safe side, 60-minute. Continue, it'll be 6 zlotys to the card.
Did it work? Did you get this?
Very good, very nice.
Right, so the 60-minute one. So that's us done our train tickets, and we're just going to go up here. We've got this big ramp, so I'll keep it going. I'm just attaching this to my... I've got two cases here, so I'm kind of trying to attach it to the cases. I actually broke my... No, it's alright. No, it's not done. I've got straps to put on.
Are you sure you don't want me to?
No, it's alright.
I'm going to...
It's just, it's a good video today, do you know what I mean? Do you know, I'm just thinking. Do you think there's a lift?
Where?
I don't know. A lift is? I know, it's just because we've got all these cases. There's lifts. Yeah. No, I'm alright with the cases, but it's just in case.
It's a moving one.
No, it's alright.
Is that?
It's alright. See what I mean? I just saw that big belt there and the other fucking fell. So I'll try it again. We're going up here. You alright there, Lindsay? Now you're going to see this big sign here, and you'll go to the left across this bridge type thing to the train into the city. So my train ticket only cost me £1.21 at the current exchange rate the day I used the Monzo card. So 6 zlotys at £1.21. The Monzo gives you the MasterCard rate, which is really, really good. So up here we've just got the train to the city. There. We'll go left. Just left here. So, right, sorted. So we're going to just go through here to the left. Aye, through here, though. You're right. The reason I'm getting the train and I walk it actually to the apartments because the last time I came to Krakow we got ripped off big style with a taxi, so you need to kind of be wary. Some people just take the piss with a taxi, so we just got to get a train. Following the signs. What though? I put them in the You see train for the city. Doing these bits here. But there's also lifts. Yeah. So we're getting off at Krakow. See that? Main station. So we're going to get off here. The main station at the Krakow. This one here.
I'm going.
Right. Yeah, the main station.
I'm going.
And you'll come out onto the platform here, so I'm going to pause this video and I'll restart it once we get on the train, okay? Auschwitz, hi folks. So we're on the train and we're just we're staying by our tram stop because it's closer to our apartment, but we kind of made a wee error there, so that was a bus ticket we bought. You actually buy you can buy your tickets down at the train station or on the train. Plus there's a conductor here, because I approached the guy and I said, listen, we've got this ticket. He said that's actually a bus ticket. So we were 20 zlotys one way into Krakow city, which amounted to, what did we say, £4? Wasn't it one way each? £4. So that's actually alright. But we're going to just stay at the train stop by it. But once everybody gets off, I'll turn the camera around and you can see where we're sitting. There's actually a machine just up there. But as I say, the conductor stood next to it as well, because I think they expect a lot of tourists that don't really know what they're doing, i.e. me, although I've been to Krakow before. But anyway, so we've got a bus ticket. That bus ticket will do us until it's validated, so we could probably use that later on. And it does you for 1 hour. As soon as it's validated, it does you, so you could jump 2 buses within that hour. So we'll probably give that a wee go later on. I don't know if you're just on the camera. I'll show you it better in a wee minute. But this is this is Krakow station. There's a little big shopping centre that attached. I've come in here before. This is the main station for Krakow. It's a big train station. Well, we're going to get the next one, Lindsay. It's closer to the apartment. Quite a lot of people getting out of here, but we're going to stay on. Next one, isn't it, Gemma? Right, that's fine. Sorry. So as you can see, just over there, see that says ticket machine right there, the screen on it. And you can get your ticket on there one way or whatever, so it's quite straightforward once you know what you're doing. Get back to you soon.